investigates the subgroup in structure of symmetric group by identifying its subgroups and representing their relationships in a lattice diagram. The goal is to visualize how these subgroups are linked and gain a deeper understanding of the group's internal structure. According to the languages theorem, and the order of any subgroup must divided the order of the group since it has 16 elements. Its possible subgroup orders are 1, 2, 4, 18, and 16. Since n is the identity elements, so we have 16b with the operation of star. So we have b sub 1 with the identity of n star n is n. So now let's prove the other subgroups. So we have n and 45. N star n is 45. N star n is n star 45 is 45. 45 and 45 star n is 45. 45 is star 45 is 90. So we have n and 90. So we have sub b sub 3. So n star n is n star 90 is 90. 90 star n is 90 and 90 star 90 is 180. So next we have b sub 4, we have n and 135. N star n is n star 135 is 135, and 135 star n is 135, 135 star 135 is 270. So we have next we have a n star n sub b sub 5, n and 180. N star n is n star 180 is 180. 180 star n is 180, 180 star 180 is n. So next we have b sub 6, n and 225. N star n is n star 225 is 225, 225 star n is 225, 225 star 225 is 90. So next we have b sub 7, we have n star n is n and 270. N star n is n star 270 is 270. 270 star n is 270. 272, nag-typo lang ako. Next is 270 star 270 is 180. So we have b sub 8, we have n and 315. N star n is n star 315 is 315. 315 star n is 315. 315 star 315 is 270. So next we have b sub 9. So we have n star b. So we have n star n is n star b is b. B star n is b. B star n is n. So we have b sub 10, n and upper left. N star n is n star upper left is upper left star n is upper left star upper left is n. Next we have b star 11, n and l. So we have n star n is n star l is l star n is l star n is n. Next we have b sub 12, n and ll. N star n is n star ll is ll star n is n. Ay, ll, nagkamali lang din yan. Ll dapat yan. So we have ll star ll is n. So we have b sub 13, n and h. N star n is n star h is h, n star n is h, and h star h is n, and so on hanggang b16. So same lang sila. So meron naman silang mga identity. Makikita naman natin yung mga identity nito. Identity nila is n. Identity n. So next, since b na b5, b9, b10, b11, b12, b13, b14, b15, b16 is a subset, so that they are all closed under the binary operation. Let's check for all the outer condition that satisfy them as a group. So nakita na natin yung identity, may identity naman sila. So check naman natin kung may mga inverse sila. So sa b star 5 is we have n and 180. So the inverse of n is n and the inverse of 180 is 180. 180 to, typo lang again, typo. Maling sulat. So we have next we have b sub 9. We have n and v. So the inverse of n is n, the inverse of b is b. So we have b10, b sub 10. So we have inverse of n is n, the inverse of ul and ul. So we have b sub 11, the inverse of n and l. So inverse of n is n, the inverse of l is l. So next we have b12, b sub 12, the n and ll. So na. Yan. May mga inverse naman sila, makikita naman natin. Ito, napapakita naman yung mga inverse dito. So dahil doon, ayun yung mga, meron tayong identity and meron tayong inverse. So next we have, dito yung mga two elements subgroups natin. B B sub 5 with an operation of star where B sub 5 equals to N and AT. B sub 9 is N and B. B sub 10 is N and UL. B sub 11 is N and L. B sub 12 is N and LL. B sub 13 is N and H. B sub 14 is N and LR. B sub 15 N and R. So next, so on. Ganun lang din. So next we have the let's check the subgroups containing the four elements. So we have N, V, U, L, L. So makikita natin yung mga elements nila. N star R is N. N star V is B. N star U, L is UL, and N star L is L. V star N is N. UL star N is UL. L star L is N is L. So we have identity. So makita naman natin ang identity dito is N. So itong line sa B sub 17 tawag dito. Yung mga element niya is V, N, V, UL, and L. So ito yung identity nila. And makikita natin na so pag may identity, may inverse. So makikita rin natin dito yung associativity niya kasi meron tayong symmetry, may symmetry tayong makikita. Meron din namang symmetry dito again sa next. Meron din tayong identity, the N ulit, and so on. Yung B sub 18 natin, yung element na is N, V, L, L, and H. So makikita naman natin na close din siya kasi nga yung mga elements dito sa sets, makikita natin siya dito sa may group. Then next we have B sub 19. Same lang din naman, may elements, may elements, may elements, may elements. Yun lang. And then, kata natin yung elements, makikita natin yung identity. Yung identity niya, ayan, identity. May identity tayong N, identity tayong N dito sa kabila. B sub 19 and B sub 20. So this table stays with the set when using the operation. To show the subset or subgroup, we have check for now and the column. Every element has an inverse, so therefore elements subset are subgroups. So next we have again, same lang. Mag-check naman natin yung 8 elements. So may identity N tayo ulit dito. Identity N, and meron din tayong inverse. So the B sub 21 is N 45, 91, 35, and 80 to 25 to 270 and 315. So meron din dito. So observe that this table are closed under the binary operation, that these tablets are closed under the binary operation. Each one has a now corresponding to the top header and the column matching the leftmost entry. This shows the presence of an identity element. Furthermore, since the identity appear in every row and column of each subset, we can confirm that the inverse element exists. Therefore, the 8 element subgroups are B sub 21, N, V, N 45, 91, 35, 180 to 25, 270, and 315. And B sub 22 is N, V, U, L, 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 H, L, R, and R. So this is the trivial sub. Since the 16B with the operation, the group of 16B with the operation of star is a group, and the subgroup consisting of 6 itself and the improper subgroups of 16, and then the 16 element subgroup is 16B is equals to N 45, 90, 135, 180 to 25, 270, 315, V, U, L, 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 H, L, R, and R. Therefore, we have the 20 total of subgroups. So we have B sub 1 sa trivial subgroup. Sa improper subgroup, 16B yung mismong natin set. So ito yung mga proper subgroup: B sub 5, B sub 9, B sub 10, B sub 11, B sub 12, B sub 13, B sub 14, B sub 15, B sub 16, B sub 17, B sub 18, B sub 19 with the operation of star. So ito yung lattice group natin. Ito yung improper natin. Then ito yung mga subgroup natin. Ayan, mga subgroup natin yung mga nasa baba niya. And tinatawag na lattice diagram. And that's all po para sa aking report.